Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. The polynomial function p of x equals x minus 8 times x squared plus 3x minus 4. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A, p has exactly 2 distinct real zeros. B, p has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. C, p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and no non-real zeros. And D, p has exactly 1 distinct real zero and 2 non-real zeros. So this has two factors, x minus 8 and x squared plus 3x minus 4. So we will make them equal to 0 to solve for x, and we will find the zeros. So x minus 8 equals 0, and the other one is x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. So by adding 8 to both sides on this expression, and you will get x equals 8. This is the first 0, which is one of its roots. So when you're factoring these trinomials, and these are, you can just say x and x, and when you multiply 4 and 1, you get 4, but when you add them, you're supposed to get positive 3. That's why this will be negative 1. So we can rewrite as x plus 4, x minus 1 equals 0. And we will make them each equal 0. X plus 4 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0. Take away 4. Plus 1. X equals 1. So we found that negative 4, 1, and 8, these are the factors of the polynomial. These are the zeros, not the factors. It's roots. So technically they are all different, and the quantity is 3. So p has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. That's why the correct answer for the specific question is choice B will be the answer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.